Hey guys. So today we talked about estimation, and that estimation is an about answer. It's not an exact answer. It's not intended to be an exact answer. It's just to get you close very quickly. Okay. That's what estimation is all about. So generally, when we estimate, we're going to round to the greatest place. And by that, I mean the whatever, whether it be the tens or the ones or the hundreds, the greatest place that that number falls in. So in this problem, well, I'm going to just redo some problems here. So in a problem like this, 5 and 64 hundredths plus 3 and 89 hundredths. The greatest place is the ones place, the place farthest to the left. So we're going to use our rounding rules that we've learned and that we all should know by this point, that we underline that digit and we look to our neighbor, and the neighbor is a 6. So we know that the 5 goes up to a 6. And over here, our neighbor is an 8, so the 3 goes up to a 4. And so very quickly, you can see that our estimated answer is 10. How close did we get? Well, the actual answer is 9 and 53 hundredths. So we got there pretty quickly and pretty closely. Okay. If we had, 83 and 47 hundredths minus 62 and 12 hundredths, in this kind of a problem, the greatest place would be the tens place. So again, knowing our rounding rules, the 3 tells the 8 to stay the same. So 80, and the 2 tells the 6 to stay the same. So 60, and 80 minus 60 is 20. So our estimated answer is 20. And let's see how close we got. 7 minus 2 is 5. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 1 and 2. 21 and 35 hundredths. So we got pretty close again to the estimation. If you have a problem that looks like something like this, 39 and 4 tenths minus, I don't know, 5 and 8 tenths. Now, in this kind of a problem, we have two greatest places. The tens place is the greatest place on that number, and the ones place is the greatest place on that number. So if we follow those rules of rounding to the greatest place, 39 and 4 tenths would be rounded to 40, and 5 and 8 tenths on this one, the ones place is the greatest. So 5 and 8 tenths would be rounded to 6. And 40 minus 6 is 34. You could also, and I would be okay with this, you could, in a problem like this, since that is the greatest place of that number, the ones place, you could round that to the ones place also, and I would be okay with that. So in that case, it would be 39. So 39 minus 6, which would be 33. I would be okay with either way you doing it, rounding it to the nearest tens or rounding it to the ones, only because that number, the biggest digit is, or the biggest place is the ones. How close did we get? 33 and 6 tenths. So super close, very close to our estimation. It doesn't differ on whole numbers. If we have 25 $1,867,415 plus, I don't know, 52,126,008. Our estimated answer. Again, we round to the greatest place, the place farthest to the left. So the 5 tells the 2 to go up to a 3, 30 million. The 2 tells the 5 to stay the same, 50 million. And 30 plus 50 is 80 million. What is our actual answer? 13 and 2 and 4 and 13 and 9 and 9 and 7 and 7. 77,993,423. So we are still pretty close to that estimated answer. Okay, I will get your work in the classroom in just a few minutes. And on your homework tonight, make sure you find the actual and the estimated answer. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.